When you hear that a business does not offer health insurance to its employees, some people might say the employer is simply being greedy. However, as I quickly found out, this is not the case here in Athens County.
For the most part, our businesses are small in Athens County and can't afford to provide, health insurance for employees.
According to the Athens Chamber of Commerce, it has become common knowledge that people here should not expect health insurance when applying for jobs.
Over the years, and I'm talking about the last 5 to 10 years, a number of businesses that used to do it have actually had to drop it. It's a huge expense anymore, and it's a conflicting problem because businesses would like to provide a benefit, but the costs are astronomical for a small business, and they just can't afford it.
Jack Brennan owns both Athens Book Center and Brennan's Greenery and says he cannot afford health care coverage for his employees or for himself.
It's been very literally day-by-day existence. We pay our bills and that's it, and there's no money left over. And if we used it for health care, the bookstore would be out of business in a year.
It may seem strange to some people to take a job that doesn't provide adequate health insurance, but when you're applying for jobs like those in the food service industry that often pay no more than minimum wage, you take what you can get, even if it's nothing at all. The Payne says the Chamber of Commerce isn't ignoring the health insurance problem, it simply doesn't have a solution.
People obviously need it and would like to have it, but I think most people pretty much understand that in the small business climate down here that it's very, very difficult to obtain. Since we have some small businesses here that still provide health insurance, but they are the exception more than the rule.
LaPortia McElrath heads a student organization that works to raise money and awareness about the need for health care reform.
I think that the major problems we're experiencing right now are a result of commercialism and capitalism. They're not patient-centered anymore, it's business-centered, and when doctors and hospitals and other healthcare entities become business-oriented, it's more about providing a service for profit.
To get health insurance, Brennan says many of his employees simply use their spouse's plans, and some work multiple jobs, but he agrees with McElrath that it's a bigger political issue.
Last election, I talked to every single candidate I came in contact with. Not one candidate seems to have a coherent answer.
Businesses that belong to the Chamber of Commerce receive a small discount through Anthem Insurance.
These are getting businesses that their insurance costs were going up 22%, 25%, and it happened the second year and the third year, and finally a lot of businesses just said, we can't afford this.